Boom XB-1, America completes its first supersonic flight. Orders from American Airlines, United Airlines, and Japan Airlines. The Boom XB-1 Baby Boom is a 1/3 scale trajet supersonic demonstrator designed by Boom Technology as part of the development of the Boom Overture supersonic transport airliner. Powered by 3 General Electric J85 engines, it is designed to maintain a speed of Mach 2.2 with over 1,000 nautical miles of range. The XB-1 began taxi tests in December 2022 and conducted its maiden flight on March 22, 2024. The aircraft performed its first supersonic flight test on January 28, 2025. On January 28, 2025, the XB-1 performed its first supersonic test flight from Mojave Air and Spaceport, piloted by Chief Test Pilot Tristan Brandenburg. It went supersonic 3 times, reaching a top speed of Mach 1.13. On the second supersonic run, the aircraft aborted its supersonic tests. An additional flight to further characterize the design and refine the engineering models, as well as to expand the flight envelope, is planned for later in 2025. The XB-1 Baby Boom is 68 feet long with a 17-foot wingspan and a 13,500-pound maximum takeoff weight. Powered by 3 General Electric J85 engines with variable geometry inlets and exhaust, the prototype should be able to sustain Mach 2.2 with more than 1,000 nautical miles of range. As a technology demonstrator for the Boom Overture, the XB-1's trajet configuration matched that of the Overture. In 2022, the Overture was redesigned to a quadjet configuration. The XB-1 retains the original trajet configuration. It has a planned 2-crew cockpit with only 1 seat being fully developed in the demonstrator, and features a chined forebody and swept trailing edges. For thermal control, the environmental control system uses the fuel as a heat sink to absorb cabin heat. The space for a second seat is taken up by testing equipment. Like Concorde, the XB-1 and Overture both have a long nose and a high angle of attack for takeoff and landing, which interrupts the pilot's view of the runway. While Concorde dealt with this by having a movable droop nose, Boom's augmented reality vision system enables excellent runway visibility for the pilots without that extra weight and complexity. The advent of digital engineering is a huge enabler for why supersonic flight's coming back, Scholl told CNN in 2024. Aerodynamics, materials, propulsion, those are the big 3 areas where we've made huge progress versus Concorde. The XB-1 is constructed of lightweight composites, titanium and stainless steel. Materials for the hot leading edges and 307° Fahrenheit nose, and epoxy materials for cooler parts, are provided by Dutch 10K Advanced Composites, high-temperature materials supplier for the SpaceX Falcon 9. The airframe will be primarily intermediate modulus carbon fiber epoxy, with high modulus fibers for the wing spar caps and bismuleamide pre-preg for the high-temperature leading edges and ribs. The rear section of the fuselage containing the engines is made from 90% titanium and 10% A286 stainless steel alloys. Specifications: general characteristics, Crew 1, design allows for a second seat, length 62.6 feet, wingspan 21 feet, height 17 feet, max takeoff weight 13,500 pounds, power plant 3 GEJ 8515 afterburning turbojet, 2,925 pounds force thrust, each drive 4,300 pounds force, with afterburner performance, maximum speed, Mach 2.2, range 1,000 nautical miles. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.